Solomon Bob from Rivers State. First, I would like to commend the wisdom of leadership to have brought this session about since yesterday. This is about the first time in this 10th Assembly I'm seeing such a robust discussion on any issue on this floor. And like I said yesterday, after we closed, I was talking to the Speaker and the Deputy that we should do more of this. What we are doing here today resonates very well with the general public. We've got a lot of commendation from yesterday to today. Now, regarding the issue at hand, I will take it up from where Gary stopped. There is scarcely anything that will be said now that will be new. What has happened in this country?
Honorable Gaza,
what has
your
happened in this
constituents want
country?
to see you contributing, so sit down, your time is coming.
What has happened in this country is an abject lack of courage. Every president since 1999 till today has demonstrated an embarrassing lack of courage to deal with an issue that has festered. We are appeasing terrorists. We are placating them. They are engaged in negotiation. You can't appease your way out of terrorism. Even here in this house, members come here and speak. They deliberately mischaracterize very serious, violent crimes and call them banditry. Yes, two things can be true at the same time. You can have banditry, you cannot have terrorism. Terrorism is the most dangerous of the violent crimes we face in this country today. We have laws dealing with terrorism. We have laws dealing with kidnapping, with various stiff penalties. No one has been taken in. Just yesterday, we were told about, or this morning, as day broke, we were told about the rescue of some schoolgirls who were kidnapped in Kebbi. No one has been taken in for any kind of punishment. I can only surmise that the government negotiated. This is not how to run a country. They will come back. It's like a blackmailer. You pay money, they will come back for more. The government must up its game. You know, we fear to deal with issues in this country. Like Winston Churchill once said, when we face our fears, we gain strength, we gain courage, and we gain confidence in the doing. Yesterday, I listened to you, Mr. Speaker, when you made your presentation, you're talking about, we have weak institutions. Yes. But I will go further than that. We have weak people in those institutions. Merely having institutions and books are not enough. You need to have persons who have courage and conviction to do the right thing. Institutions could be books, could be these physical buildings that house places where action can be taken. But the most fundamental of those, the elements that can make the place work, are the human beings. The human beings are lacking in the will, in the courage, in the conviction. Nothing can happen. So it's about time we did the right thing. What's the right thing? The executive must ensure that, one, there is no iota of negotiation with those engaged in terrorism, kidnapping, and other violent crimes. Secondly, they must stop the policy of appeasement. We hear people come out publicly and say, don't touch terrorists. Don't touch them. They are our children. Don't touch them. In fact, one of them went as far as saying, budget for them. In what country? What the hell is this? Voted for them, as recently happened. So we can't allow this sort of behavior to continue in this country. Government must live up to its responsibility. Go after terrorists, go after kidnappers, go after any kind of violent criminals. What we have in my area, South, it's peculiar to us. We don't have anything near what we are witnessing in North Central, North East, and the rest of them. And Northwest. No. We have.
Okay, your time is up.
All right. Thank you, honorable colleagues. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Can I sit down?
Yeah, just 1 minute so they can round up.
All right. Well, so in the South, we don't have anything near what we are seeing in Northwest, Northeast, North Central. But we have our own, peculiar incidents of criminality. These are, of course, no society is entirely, totally crime-free. To that extent, we have, we deal with issues of criminality, but not anywhere near what we are facing. And this
Honorable Judge, get ready.
Is capable of bringing this country down. So that is why we're all concerned. We share your concern. But in expressing your concern, don't mischaracterize. When you see criminality, call it by its name. Yesterday, I was talking about calling a spade a spade. Don't call terrorism banditry. No. So I want to thank all of you for this small moment I've got.
Thank you.